1 year ago, I installed a DIY home solar energy system. The system has been a fantastic asset for my home and my family. So far, it has returned nearly 8% of the cost, but this summer we will be selling the excess energy and this will speed up the break-even period. I aim to help others go through this journey and reap the benefits of home solar too. In this video, I will compare what I paid for my components a year ago to what it would cost at the time of recording. Let's look at the first big order that I made. In here we can see the solar inverter, in this case a hybrid inverter 3.6 kilowatts, all the panels and mounting equipment for the roof. Altogether, this order set me back just over £3,000. Let's have a look at what this order would cost today. Here are the same components. I had to replace the mounting rails from the original order as the size format is no longer available. Luckily, the same rail is available in a different size, so I just made up the total length I bought with the available size format. As you can see, the cost of the bigger ticket items such as the panels and the inverter has gone down noticeably. Overall, we see a £783 difference despite the steep increase in shipping charges. Next, let's look at the battery. It is the most expensive component in my system. This 15 kWh batteries and rack bundle cost me nearly £4,000 last year. I am well pleased with this battery's performance so far. I'm happy to report that you can buy the same battery today and save some money on it too. And here is the same battery today. You can see a nice reduction in price, nearly 25%, which is a welcome improvement in our cost savings exercise. And so, the final score is £1,783 cheaper today compared to last year. This saving equates to just over 2 years' worth of electricity generation from my system, and it is no small thing. I hope this video has helped with giving you an insight into the current price of solar energy components. For more detailed information, in-depth posts and DIY advice, visit solarenergyconcepts.co.uk.